Oh, knife and oh, scissors. Oh, put them to there for a minute. Right. Next set of Lego. I can't say that word. How do you say that word, Izzy? Architecture. How do you say it? Arc. Yeah. Where's the yeah? Architecture. Buildings. Lego buildings. So my daughter's got these for Christmas. I wanted them. Therefore, Santa bought them for you. Yeah? Yeah, definitely, yeah. So we've got London and New York City because we've been to London and we're going to New York. But you also want Paris, and there's another one here. There's a San Francisco one you can get as well. There's quite a few. These are not retired as of yet. The other ones are. So she's going to spend some pennies if she wants them. You have to go and get Paris for me. Yeah. Right, so we're going to have a little bit of an unboxing of these, and then we'll do the usual. I'll go onto the computer. We'll show you where you can still get them from, how much they cost, and all that kind of good stuff. So they are my daughter's prezzies off Mr. Claus. Which one do you want to open first? New York? This is what we've got the scissors for, because somebody wouldn't go downstairs and get me a knife to open them. Got them. Open them up and see what we've got. It's underneath. It's a box that flips open, I think, so you need to... This is where everyone on YouTube says you don't know how to use press. Just be careful. There you go. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. You want me to do it? No? Is that it?
Yay!
Yeah, right. There you go. Right, what's in the inside one of these? Oh. Got them. Get on. I'm assuming the other one's going to be the same, but... No, we're videoing it. It's a video. It's an unboxing. Lots of little bits. Put them all there when you... So they're not numbered, are they? So that means you're going to have to get them all out. What's this you get? That's just a little... Okay. Put that on there. And what else have you got? Let's move this box out the way then. What have you got in the box? Lego, like your opinion on the new product you have just purchased. Too expensive, apparently. And what's this? Is this just the... Oh, it tells you a bit about it. Oh, look. New York is the only real city. Thanks for that, Truman. Okay. So if you want to learn more about New York before we go, I'm taking these are all the buildings that you're about to build. You figured that, did you? This is what happens when you have a teenager, everybody on YouTube. Nothing but grief. Right. So, so that's it. So in this book, we've got 115 pages. Where, yeah, there's more you can get there. Look. Big Ben. Eiffel Tower. We're not buying the Eiffel Tower. It's expensive. And the instructions go to page 106, and there is 75 bits to build. So, as usual, like we said, I'm going to get on the computer now and tell you where to go and buy this from. And then after that, you're going to be treated to my daughter doing a time-lapse build of it. So we're going to do New York City first, and then we might follow up with London straight after that, because I'm guessing they're going to be almost the same inside. So you ready to go for the time-lapse? You're not doing the time-lapse, are you? Maybe we'll get the time-lapse done in a minute. So let's go to the computer and see how much these cost. Can you get these sets from? Well, we'll start off with the London set. Obviously on the screen in front of us, I have got lego.com. So London, imaginatively titled there. Architecture. See, I can't say it really. So these are $34.99 on the legoweb.com website. 280 pieces. Sorry, 280 inside the points, but 468 pieces. Now, there's lots of little figures, lots of little pieces in this. And you'll see it when I show you the completed set a little bit later on. But anyway, you can get it from lego.com for $34.99. They also sell it in Argos for £35. And in Smith's Toys as well for $34.99. Now, Argos, you do get the top cashback as well, so you do get money back there. And they quite often have offers for these sets. You can quite often get it for like $29.99, sometimes as low as 25 quid as well. So keep your eyes out for it. With the New York City set, 21028, with a few more pieces, is £45, so $44.99, the legoweb.com website. Quite expensive, really. A tenner more. Is it worth a tenner more? I mean, for 130 pieces more, but the 130 pieces are all 2 by bits, so nah, you pay your money, you take your choice. But it's 44.99 on the Lego.com website. On Argos again, £45. And this time it's not on sale in Smiths, but it's in John Lewis for £45. So again, you can keep your eyes up. Before Christmas, these were going for about £35, give or take. It's currently out of stock in John Lewis. But yeah, there you go. That's where you can get the London and the New York City architecture sets. So now, as always, we're going to have the brief montage of it's actually Izzy building it, so my daughter's building it, and then we'll have my final review. So what do we think of these architecture sets? See, architecture. There's a couple of words that I can't quite speak properly, but we're going to get off it. See, they're quite decorative, aren't they? They're quite good. If you look, they're all little plates and the modified 2 plates that they've used to build these. This is a New York one that we've got. We've got the Chrysler buildings there, the Empire State Building, the One World Trade Center, Statue of Liberty, and there's another one in there as well. But they're really nice. And look at the little minifigure, the micro figure that they use. Get in focus for the Statue of Liberty. Obviously, it's not going to be in great detail because they're only tiny. But I just dropped that there. But they are nice display pieces. I mean, one thing we have thought about doing is get a picture of the family and mount these underneath when we go and visit these places. So there's New York City. I've also got London as well. So we've got the National Gallery in Nelson's Column, London Eye, Big Ben, Elizabeth Tower, whatever you want to call it, and the Tower Bridge as well. See, this London Eye has been built with these straws. They've been linked together again with these modified 2 by pieces. So you can get light kits for these as well, and they look quite good lit up. But I quite like them. They're not my usual things that we buy, but my daughter likes them. They'll be set up in the bedroom. So no doubt look out for some more architecture sets coming soon. Maybe not the ones that have retired because they're quite expensive, but yeah. Thank you very much for watching. If you do like these, please like and subscribe and you'll see more videos coming soon. We'll see you next time.